All right, let's jump right in. Today, we're talking about what happens when two of the biggest technologies out there, AI and decentralized finance, finally team up. And trust me, this isn't just a small upgrade. It's a combination that could totally reshape how we handle our money, maybe even build a whole new financial world from scratch. So think about this for a second. What if your bank wasn't some big building downtown, or even just an app on your phone? What if it was a super smart algorithm working just for you 24/7? This sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's the reality that AI and DeFi are making possible as we speak.
And this shift, it's absolutely creating the next frontier in finance. We're moving away from a system that's always been about human gatekeepers, the bank tellers, the brokers, all the middlemen, and stepping into a world run by transparent, super efficient algorithms.
And wow, when you put them side by side, the difference is just night and day. Traditional finance, it can be slow, kind of exclusive, and packed with intermediaries that drive up costs. But DeFi plus AI, we're talking about a totally different beast. It's instant, it's open to everyone, and it's driven purely by data and logic. Okay, so to really get what's going on here, we've got to look at the two big players in this story. What exactly are DeFi and AI, and what makes each one a game changer all on its own? Let's break them down. All right, first up, DeFi. At its core, it's basically a new financial system built on the blockchain, which you can think of as a super secure, transparent ledger that anyone can see. Now, instead of banks, DeFi uses something called smart contracts. These are just agreements written in code that automatically execute themselves. It means our finance is built on code we can actually verify, not just on trusting a big corporation. Pretty cool, right? And then you've got the other half of this power duo, AI. In the world of finance, AI is the brains of the operation. It can chew through insane amounts of data in the blink of an eye to spot market trends, figure out risks, or catch fraud way faster and more accurately than any human ever could. Bottom line, it makes finance smarter and way more predictive. So you have DeFi providing this open, secure foundation, and you have AI providing the intelligence. Now, on their own, they're already incredibly powerful. But the real magic, the real revolution, happens when these two worlds collide. Let's dig into how that actually works. Because when you put them together, you get a total paradigm shift. It unlocks financial services that are just fundamentally different. They're way more efficient, they're accessible to pretty much anyone on the planet, and they can be customized to fit you perfectly. Let me walk you through a quick example so you can see what I mean. Let's talk about lending. Imagine you need a loan. You go to a DeFi platform. Instantly, an AI algorithm scans your financial history, all on the blockchain, to figure out a credit score. If you're approved, boom, a smart contract shoots you the loan with an interest rate tailored just for you. No paperwork, no waiting, and a lot less human bias. And this isn't just for loans. AI is supercharging the entire DeFi landscape. For traders, AI can create smarter pricing to reduce slippage, that annoying difference between the price you think you're getting and the price you actually get. For investors, AI-powered robo-advisors can manage your entire DeFi portfolio for you. And for people trying to earn a return, AI can sniff out the best yield farming strategies, which is kind of like finding the highest yield savings accounts automatically. And look, this isn't some pie-in-the-sky idea. It is happening right now. Some of the biggest projects in DeFi are already on board. You've got the lending platform Aave using AI to manage risk, the massive exchange Uniswap is using it to fight fraud, and Yearn.finance uses AI to totally automate its investment strategies. These guys are out there building this future today. Okay, but let's be real for a second. Building the financial system of the future, yeah, it's not going to be a walk in the park. There are some pretty significant hurdles we have to clear on the way to this new, intelligent, decentralized world. And when you look at the challenges, a few big ones really stand out. Number one is regulatory uncertainty. Governments are still trying to figure out how to even approach this stuff. Then you have security and privacy. A bug in a smart contract or a flaw in an AI model could be disastrous. And of course, there's scalability. Can these systems actually handle millions of people all at once? And finally, there just aren't enough people who are experts in both AI and blockchain. But here's the thing you gotta remember. These aren't dead ends. Not at all. Think of them more like the current to-do list. These are the exact problems that the smartest people in the industry are tackling head-on right now. This is where all the exciting innovation is happening. So, with all that in mind, the incredible potential and the very real challenges, let's zoom out. What does this all mean for our financial future?
What's the big picture impact for you, for me, for the entire global economy?
Well, the potential global impact is just massive. We could see true financial inclusion where anyone with an internet connection gets access to services they were locked out of before. By cutting out the middlemen, costs could plummet for everyone. This new foundation could also spark a massive wave of innovation. We're talking about financial products we can't even imagine yet. And since it's all built on a transparent blockchain, the whole system could end up being way more stable and resilient.
Which, brings us to the most important question of all, the one that really matters. We know this technology can make finance faster and more efficient, but will it make it fairer? Is this all going to build a more equitable financial system for everyone, or just a souped-up version of the old one? The answer to that is being written as we speak, one line of code at a time. Thanks for tuning in.